so I purchased few winter items from H&M and today I'm going to show you guys what I have. I have some amazing new arrivals currently. I always go for basic items when I purchase anything from H&M, and today I have few pieces. I am very excited to style them and see how they look. Okay, so the first item is this teddy jacket. This is so cozy, super soft, and I really love it. Inside of this is super soft. I really love this beautiful beige color. And you also get a high neck collar like this, which is great. And yeah, this is how it looks like. I really love the fit. It's not like very bulky, very oversized. Usually when you go for teddy jackets, they are like, they look very bulky. I really love the softness, and it just feels like a very warm, cozy hug because of this fur situation. It's super soft, and you also get two pockets right over here, which is very spacious. You don't get any chain. The next item that I have is this one. This is again a high neck or turtleneck type of sweater, and this is what it looks like. This color is also really good. Whenever you purchase anything from H&M, I think, or Zara, always go for basic items. It is more like you are spending a lot of money, but you are actually using the product because of those basic colors. If I purchased any green, pink, or maybe any colorful statement piece, I always style them only once or twice maybe. But basic items are so easy to style, and you can style them in so many different ways. You know, neutral tone, gray type of a color, not extremely cool tone. A black skirt with this. You can wear this on top of any dress maybe, or you can wear this with blue jeans, black jeans, white jeans, anything you want. I purchased a black scarf, which is so important. You want to style up your outfit a little bit, like maybe it's a very basic outfit, but you want to style it up a little bit, add a scarf. Just wearing a very basic thing, you can go for colorful scarves as well. Maybe a very beautiful white outfit you're wearing, you can go for like a lilac scarf, and it will be like your statement piece. It will be like the star of the show. Like, black is obviously the best color, so this is what it looks like. It's again extremely soft. I went for a few basic t-shirts which are very important. Number one is this very basic black t-shirt, like no prints at all. So this is a very, like, nothing to explain. It's a oversized type of, I think this is oversized. Another item, the same basic item, in a cream, or I think this is a cream color, like a perfect cream color. So this is how it looks like. This is also oversized, as you guys can see, and this is also in medium, and I love this color. This is so pretty. The thickness of it, you can obviously wear this underneath your sweater. You can layer it up really well. So yeah, this is the one. The color is so beautiful. Like this one, the cupboard is in white color, so you can totally see the difference, how it looks. This is a beautiful cream color t-shirt. I also purchased this beautiful belt, which I really love. This is again a very basic item, but looks stunning. Like if you are wearing a jeans or a top, wear a beautiful buckled belt, and it's going to like level up your outfit game. And the buckle looks like, it's like a square type of a buckle, and this is the belt. Love this. Is my first time actually purchasing a belt from H&M, and I personally love the quality of this. I can touch this product and I can feel that this is a really good quality belt. I guess that's it for the haul. I don't have anything else to show. And if you want to purchase anything for yourself from these, I will link all the products in the description box below. So yeah, make sure to check that out as well.